Kwatani Sandvik, we handle lots of large-scale orders of custom vibrating equipment, and we produce several machines per day. I think the reason for our success is that our customers place lots of faith in our products, our technology, and manufacturing capabilities. They know we deliver quality vibrating equipment. Our fabrication processes are designed to handle any customized equipment and are flexible enough to handle emergency orders with short lead times. Our workshop manufactures custom designed equipment in the same time frame than other OEMs deliver standardized equipment. We use in-house designed precision engineering jigs to increase our production efficiency and secure quality. Our assembly facility is equipped with large blast and spray booths that can handle very large vibrating screens. The test floor expands across 100 square meters and is equipped with 380 and 5 to 5 volt VSD controllers. We make sure we rigorously test each unit with it signed off by our engineering team before shipping. One of our strengths is that we work very closely with our suppliers, most of whom are within the 10-kilometer radius of our facilities. This means we can closely manage the quality of our raw materials and any components made to our specifications. We hold significant stock for various components to make sure our customers get the best availability and service. And of course, we adhere to ISO 9001 quality standards. Actually, one of our competitive edges is our skilled and highly motivated workforce, trained on our product range. One of the benefits of working for us is our open door management policy and the opportunities we offer our employees.